actually going to a private luxury resort, too.
We're going to Grandpa Arthur's farm for 2 weeks.
Wait, what? The farm? Since when? This whole place is just dirty old junk.
You hurt Grandpa today, Tom. That's not us.
I never wanted to come to this place! Where did the farm lights go? Please, help me!
Ben! Tom isn't in his room!
He went that way, Dad, toward the gate.
So, where's your family actually going this summer? We're actually going to a private luxury resort, too. Answer it! Maybe it's resort news already. Hey, Dad, sorry, 1 second, let me move.
Pack your bags tonight, Tom. We're leaving early. We're going to Grandpa Arthur's farm for 2 weeks.
Wait, what? The farm? Since when?
Send us resort pictures the second you land.
I will, don't worry, I'll send you loads.
Grandpa, I missed you so much.
This whole place is just dirty old junk.
Tom, did you really just say that outside?
I'm gonna build something real here. One more post, then I can finally rest. You hurt Grandpa today, Tom. That's not us. He built this whole farm. Even that rope.
I never wanted to come to this place!
Show us your resort view, Watson, come on! It's, amazing here. Really, really amazing.
Wait, Tom, is that thing behind you?
Is that a cow? Where even are you?
That's not a resort, that's a farm! I'm recording this. Everyone at school will see. A farm! You actually lied about a farm! Everyone's gonna see it. Everyone will know. I just needed to get away from everyone. How far have I actually walked from home? Where did the farm lights go? Please! This way! I think it's this way! No! No! Help me! I'm sinking. Why am I sinking? Stop fighting it. Stop. Just stop. I have to call Dad. Right now. No! No! No, come back! Somebody has to notice I'm gone.
Ben! Tom isn't in his room!
He went that way, Dad, toward the gate.
Stay here with Mum. I'll find him.
Maybe we shouldn't have laughed like that. I'm not posting this. I'm deleting it. There. Found it. I'm calling his house.
The police don't know this land like I do. Just wait here. This footprint's fading fast. Keep moving, Arthur.
Help me! Please, somebody help me!
I'm coming, Tom! Hold on for me! I know this hill. He's down there.
Grandpa, please, I'm sinking, help me! Grandpa, hurry, please, I can't hold on!
Stay completely still, Tom. Don't fight it. Wrap it around your arms. Hold tight. It'll hold. This rope never once failed. Ready? On 3, we pull together. Pull, Tom! Pull with everything you have. Almost there now, Tom. You're safe now, Tom. I've got you.
I don't even care about my clothes. I'm so sorry, Grandpa. I was so wrong.
It's all right now. You're home, Tom.
We're right here! We found you!
You're safe. Thank goodness you're actually safe.
Tom, I was so worried.
Kevin actually deleted it? That's really kind. I'm okay. Actually, I'm better than okay.
The oldest, dirtiest things often hold the truest love.
Grandpa, show me how to work these fields.
Look at my new little farm friends splashing around.
I never knew peace felt this real, Ben.
It was always here, waiting for us.
Patience and hard work grow the best life, Tom.
I came to apologize and maybe learn something. I am glad you are here. Let us start fresh. Let us start fresh. This farm food tastes amazing! Thank you for inviting us. That rope actually saved you? That is insane, Tom. It is the strongest thing on this whole farm.
This family is stronger now. Together at last.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe and comment.
We read every single comment. It means so much.